Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Philippine Review Center or PRC. In this channel, all of the review tutorials for your exams like civil service exams and other licensure exams that I'm planning to make are all being integrated into this one channel. So I am hoping that I could serve you best, and this would be a good alternative for you to refer aside from enrolling yourself into different other courses or paying into a review center for your exam. So, and since this is my first video and this fall into the category of civil service exam with the topic of mathematics, I will discuss to you briefly an overview of what is all about mathematics and what you needed to learn for the exam. And hopefully in the next video, I will dig in much more on the topics underlying mathematics. Now we'll be discussing now numbers, and under it are fraction, decimals, and percentage. We'll manually solve the problem here because during the exam there will be no calculator. So firstly we'll discuss about fraction, and what we all know about fractional numbers. We have 1/2, 1/4, 3/4. Well, if you say 1, that will be a whole number, but this type of fraction are what we call proper fraction. In order for a fraction to be proper, is that it should have to satisfy the rule of the numerator as less than the denominator. In this case of 1/2, we have this one as the numerator and 2 is the denominator. So this is a proper fraction. Same goes with the other example, 1/4 and 3/4. So another example of a fraction is 4/3. Since it violates the rule of numerator less than denominator, this is what we call an improper fraction. So as you can see here, the numerator 4 is much more greater than the denominator 3. So in order for us to convert this into a proper fraction, we're going to divide the numerator by its denominator. So it goes like 4 divided by 3. And we're going to place the numerator inside this bar and the denominator will be outside. This is what we call, the numerator will be called then as a dividend. And this denominator is what we call the divisor. So a little sort of a review. And if we were going to divide 4 by 3, we will have 1. 1 times 3 is 3. We're going to subtract that 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. And we have here an answer. The quotient would be written as 1. The remainder would be the numerator, and the denominator would be the same. So we have here a combination of a proper fraction and a what we call a whole number. That's what I've said before. So this type of combination of a fraction is what we call a mixed fraction. So we have 3 types of a fraction that we should have to remember: the proper fraction, the improper fraction, and the mixed fraction.
Well, I think it took so long explaining about fractions, so on the next video, fortunately, I will explain to you the conversion of fraction to decimal, then decimal to percentage, and percentage to decimal. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you do subscribe.